Hey everybody, hope you're doing awesome. I just wanted to show you the mirrors I got from my Ecells Dual Star and give a quick review. These are the BriskMore Bar-end Mirrors. For my bike, I just wanted a clean and simple bar-end mirror. I didn't want arms that you had to clamp on to an already crowded handlebar, and these things are super awesome. Plus, in my opinion, the star logo they have on the front side is the perfect match for our 5-star, dual star, step star e-bikes. Installation is super simple. You basically loosen the Allen screw on the end of the grip, pop off the end cap, stick the bar mirror in, and turn the set screw, which slowly expands the mirror mount, locking it into place inside the bar, kind of like a drywall anchor. Then just tighten the Allen screw on the end of your grip back up and you're done. I'm really impressed with these things, especially considering they were dirt cheap. I think I got the pair for under 15 bucks on Amazon. I've had them for about a month now, and they're super easy to adjust and always hold their position well. They're marketed as having convex HD glass. And admittedly, at first I was a little caught off guard at the wide angle view of each mirror, but they work fantastically out on the road, and it's so easy to see if you've got a car approaching behind you with just a glance. It's hard for me to think of anything negative to say about them. I suppose one thing to keep in mind that's more of a comment on bar-end mirrors in general is that they do make your handlebars wider. So sometimes it can be a little tricky wheeling your bike through a narrow doorway, for example. And I guess if you're the type who might drop your bike, then of course it's going to land on the mirror. But these things are so affordable, they're easy to replace. All in all, I love them, and the matching star logo makes them look like a factory option. So if you're in the market for bar-end mirrors for your Ecells e-bike, personally, I can't recommend the BriskMores enough. All right, stay awesome. I'll see you in the next one.